Hey folks, good evening. So this is a quick walkthrough Q&A. I think especially important because we've changed the format slightly for this challenge. Before I start with why we've changed the format of this challenge, I want to share the format just in case you missed what is the change. So normally we have a 10-point scale for grading every submission, and that's how the leaderboard is drawn out. This time though, we are putting into three sections. One is an audit, one is improvements, and the third is a design task, right? The intent here is to make it simpler to submit, so you don't have to spend too much time, but you have to do all three. So there's one more point additional for if you do all three. Uh, and each one, so for example, I'll go through what each one means, right? When we say audit, we don't want you to do too deep exercises, but an annotated screen. Now, what is an annotated screen, etc.? Some of you might already know how to do that part, but for those who don't or doing it the first time, I'll share some examples on the forum. And also, you can also look up yourself also. But I'll share some examples on the forum as well as the WhatsApp group of what an annotated screen looks like. Sections of annotated screen, or basically it has to be an image. We don't want text here in the audit, right? The exercise, the way you do the audit, obviously there are different ways, there are techniques, there are methods. In fact, if in fact some interesting challenge that you should look at is a Tesla challenge that we did, and the reason why I'm citing this one is because of the links that we've shared there, right? I'll share the link to this challenge as well as some of these links and some of the ones that are really relevant. How to do a audit, here is the format, that the format has to be an image, but how to go about the exercise, that's up to you. There are various methods, there are good standards to do it. I'm not in favor of theory based ones, so this one is great, but unless it is applied to the specific case, it doesn't have much value, right? And doing all 10 of them, I don't think bears significance. Also, you got to do other things, right? So that's part one. The second one is improvements. Yeah, this we are very strict on. There's a word limit on this. I think I don't know what the word limit exactly is, but yeah, we want text-based output, just three improvements. And these have to be like pointers in terms of what those improvements are, basis your audit, right? So what we are trying to audit is Aether's booking flow and on mobile, right? So we don't want from, basically, I don't want to bias you, how do you start a journey, etc. But yeah, I guess there's a hint there. But we want you to get into the mold of a user first and try and book a bike. And at the booking page, so there is a booking page that comes up. In fact, I don't want to pull it now because it will look like, that's the desktop version. But on the mobile, you got to pull up, try and book a bike. And when you're trying to book it, what are the things that kind of come out to you and say, this needs fixing? And quick ones, right? Quick ones which have impact. So a mix of that, not too deep ones, because that might be, change the design. Those kind of ones are not really audit based ones. Quick suggestions that really create an impact would be something that we are looking for here. Just three. There are several things that you can do when I had a look, but yeah, no long paragraphs, no long detailing. Get the point right and be accurate. And then a design task. Now this is interesting. So the first two challenges were ideation. We are a platform for PMs, designers. So here, slight bias towards the designers. Good one for you. We would like to see a mock-up or a wireframe of what your improvements look like. So it's not just about the text, but as a design. So this again is an image or a mock-up file or a Figma file or whatever format you want to use. But yeah, definitely it's not text. So now the reason why we are doing this, well, we want everybody to have a say in this. It cannot be just, people who write well. So Harshit and Anshul have done excellent with their submission, the first two challenges. But we wanted to be a competitive challenge and give an equal opportunity for others and new ones to come in as well. So you guys are really, really acing it. But बाकियों को भी थोड़ा सा opportunity देना चाहिए. But you can ace it as well. So there's nothing of that sort that you can't do it. But you want to spice it up. That's the reason. Besides that, I would say also check out, this is the best way to actually check up. I'm sorry about not having a search or a tag on UXHack itself, our website, that you can look up our previous trend, but we've done several audit challenges. You can just have a look at each of them. Each one is a slight different one. So this one was first time users, this one for food app. We've done several and each has a different thing to it. But I would definitely look at the Tesla one for referral links, and also because the segment, and as you said, right, we want it to look, if you want the booking experience to be like Tesla, you might as well look at that website as well and see what they do well and they don't do well, right? That's pretty much it. Nothing additional to share here. Pretty straightforward and easy challenge. But yeah, Harshit, please go ahead. Any question?
Hey Akshay,
Hi.
always questions.
Yeah, please. I love questions. That's how
So
it
yeah,
makes the whole thing interesting. Please.
right. So I'm just talking about the description right now, right?
Yeah.
So it's mentioned here that while buying an electric two-wheeler is
Yeah.
no different from a normal one.
Yeah.
The initial set of users the
Hmm.
segment is likely to attract is the youth,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now, there are two presumptions here, right?
Yes.
I'll be very focused on the one that I think is more important here.
Hmm.
Is the second one.
Hmm.
Users segment trying to attract is youth.
Yeah.
So, are we having any data on this specifically, or
No,
like the founders have said
that's
that?
a fair point. That is an assumption that I have made, that we have made, that it's the youth. It is
Mhm.
also based on, so there is no data that Ather has released. I'll see if I can find some data, but at least the people who visited the showrooms, right? People, the way the social campaigns they've done, the founder posts on social, and he shows that the youth have come. I have actually seen some posts. So there's no data. You're right on that. But at least the way the
Mhm.
site has been made, the way the experience centers have been designed, the colors that they've chosen do indicate that they're focused on the youth. Also, I mean, in general conversation,
Mhm.
again, this is not data backed, and it's a fair point that you raised. It's not data backed, but in general conversations, it has emerged that the youth is more gung-ho about the electric bikes than people who are 40, 50 plus, right? That is the presumption. Uh, you can contest that. You can say, no, this is not the case. That's completely fine. But do back it up with something.
Right.
So I backed it up with my perspective that I'll share a few samples that I've seen that have made me to lead to this kind of an
Mhm.
assumption that that's the case. But I'll see if there's some data also, but not from India. I'm sure the data is not available in India, but outside India, I'm sure there'll be some data which shows, which I mean, if I want to chase that data, I can obviously find it, but I'm going to show you data which shows that, what are the age categories that have bought, right? If
Mhm.
we can get that, I think then if then that kind of hits with you, that, sits with you well, you can go ahead. But if you feel that that is not the case, sure. I mean, you can then say that, it's not just for the youth, it's for across brackets. You can go down that path as well. But yeah, you have very
Right.
limited space to do that. The text part of this challenge is very small,
Right.
very accurate in terms
Right.
of what you're trying to say and who you're trying to target, right? You can change that. That's
Right.
fine. But
Also, another thing,
yeah,
Akshay, here,
yeah,
when we are saying youth,
yeah.
what is the age that we are talking about here?
So in
Like
India,
youth
so
is
so so there are different ways of saying youth. In India, if you want a categorization, I would say anybody who is legally allowed to drive. In fact, in electric bikes, I don't know about the 450X because its horsepower is slightly high, but in India, there is no license requirement for driving electric bikes, right? So the youth
right.
can be much younger people also, but we would say 18 plus to say about say 30, right? 18 to 30 or 18 to 25 would be ideal age
Hmm.
bracket that we are looking for. I think that is something that really would be an attractive segment to target, especially for the way that we've kind of made this challenge. Maybe not Ather is looking for across. I mean, any company would love to go across the board.
Right.
It can be up till 40 also, but I think 15 18 to 25, maximum 18 to 30. Beyond that, it is just like a normal buyer. The reason I bring that youth up is because they are less concerned about, say, carrying a family member at the back, those kind of considerations. They are unlikely to be married at that age. These are the reasons why we are saying youth. It's not basis age, but at least the persona that they have within a family. That's the reason. Okay?
Right.
And I think that's a
So,
fair point. Next time what we'll do is we'll classify when we say age. With that, we'll try and classify it. I think that's a good point that you raised. Okay?
right. And moving over to the second, or I think the third or fourth paragraph.
Yeah.
It's written in this challenge. What we would like to see is if this is a case of form over function.
Yeah.
So when we say form over function here, what does it really mean in context of the
Have
ether?
you
Is it
have
the
you had a look
website
at the
or the
mobile
product?
website? Have you had a look at the mobile website?
Yes, I had.
Do you feel that is somewhere resonating, that line?
Exactly. Actually, that is the point that I was mentioning. Is it with regards to the website or the product?
No,
Like
not the
as a
product. No,
product,
no, no, no.
ether,
Oh,
right?
sorry. Good
It's
point.
the website.
It has got nothing to do with the product. So, okay, I
It's
think I'll
just the
add that.
website.
Absolutely nothing to do with the product. We cannot do anything with the product, right? As a designer
Mhm.
and a PM, we have no say on the product that we are selling, right?
Mhm.
We have
Right.
only a say on the way the product is being sold, right? So it is about the website,
Exactly.
right? So the
Yeah,
audit
I just
also.
wanted to clarify that. Yeah.
Yeah, fair, fair. I think what I'll do is
Okay.
next time, but that will be unfair. Next time I'll push it across and say, acha, isme gap kya hai? But yeah, that's a fair point. It is about the website and the experience on the website.
Mhm.
I think somewhere it's mentioned, but not explicitly that we are not at all concerned about the Ather bike per se. Now on the desktop, this looks pretty fine. But the minute you open it up on mobile, I know what I think you will get a sense.
I've seen that.
So that is where we are hinting towards. Yeah.
Yeah, and now it brings to my last question. When we're talking about the user flow, so we are just and only focused on the bike buying flow at this point of time. No other flow we are talking
because
about.
they have some other products, right? They have some other products, chargers, etc.
Right.
So I don't want to get distracted. But you're buying a bike. Now I'm not saying where you're buying the bike from. That is up to you. How deep you want to go. I don't want to say anything more because that will give you too many.
Okay, so it's basically a focus towards the.
A person is trying to buy a bike from Ather on their website or book a bike, because you can. I think they've started with the booking part. The buying comes later, and there are steps to that. But he's trying to buy a bike, so he's going to book, and most likely he's going to come here. Now, how he's going to come here, how he's going to land up here, whether he's going to land up on this bike, we don't want to put too much into that, because then it will be too focused and too narrow. There are things beyond this page that need a lot of attention.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Akshay.
Yeah, great. Okay, there's one more question. How will improvements be graded? That would also be subjective, right? I don't think it will be subjective. I think if you're fixing a problem and it's almost a 1-0, there's very little subjectivity there. So it's about whether from what they have, what you're suggesting, whether that improves the booking flow. If yes, you get 1. If no, you get 0. So you get 3 or so it's like almost like a true or false. I know there might be some subjectivity. So it cannot be like a 2.5. That's not going to happen. So either your suggestion is valid or your suggestion is not valid. Now I know that who's evaluating is us. So obviously wahan subjectivity aati hai. But I think that much leeway you can give us to that we understand what you're trying to say and you will communicate it in the right way. But yeah, I think it's a clear of 1-0. They cannot be grays in that. Yeah. And do we have to stick to this format? Yes, absolutely. You have to stick to this format. There's no other way you can submit. I hope we've ensured that you cannot submit anything else, or you can add more stuff to back up your decision. More stuff, no, actually no. In the design, maybe the way you express yourself, the last part, maybe you can do something here. Yeah, because this is all about visuals, all subjectivity. But remember, it also carries just 3 points. So your time is better spent elsewhere as well. So think about that. We don't want too much to be put in. We want it to be easy so that you get to the problem areas first. We want you to address the problem, right? We don't want you to get distracted by, too many things. Right? There are very easy problems to solve. I hope everybody sees those easy problems and tries to solve it. Obviously, each one will solve it in a different way. And I think there the nuances and your backgrounds will come into play. Your history as well, what you know about how booking happen. I think those who've bought bikes online or those who've done these things online would know what are the problems. User research always helps, but I'm not recommending because there's too little time to do 3 activities and do research. But if you want, you can do that as well. All right. Anything else? I guess that's it. I think this is the longest Q&A we've had, but I hope that is useful. Harshad, I'll definitely share some pointers on what we mean by youth, etc. on the group and the forum. Do check the forum. We'll keep sharing interesting articles. There's a lot of interesting stuff about this, and absolutely do check. Yeah, sorry. There's somebody. Please.
Sorry to cut you, Akshay. Actually,
yeah,
you said that we have to stick to this format. So, yes. First is
don't like part, it. You right? Like it, hate it. What is first of all feedback on the format? We're doing it the first time.
Feedback. I think it's interesting. Interesting. Basically, I had these questions. How would the grading happen? Because like you said, improvements 3 points.
Yeah.
So everybody will be suggesting 3 pointers for improvements.
तुम अपना सोचो, बाकियों का मत सोचो. वो हमें देखने दो कैसे होगा.
नहीं, but then which improvement is important and which improvement is not important?
Yeah, that is something you need to think about, right? So you need to think about, as I said in the beginning, ease of implementation and impact. The one which ranks highest on both is most likely going to be a number 1 suggestion. Okay?
Yeah, right. Got it. And dusra, the other thing is that the first thing is UX audit, right?
Yeah.
So the audit, we have to do it based on what we have observed on the site. It's not like
said, I think you joined late. I don't know. I mentioned this when I started. So there are different ways. I think you're part of this one. I think you're part of one of the ones earlier. There are different ways of going it. I'm not going to tell you do it this way or that. You can do whatever way you want, but the output has to be as an annotated screen, right? You can do your exercises in different formats. You can do it observational based. You can do it user research based. You can do the heuristics way. You can do various ways of the audit. We are not concerned with that. There are no additional points if you put additional effort there, but the output has to be in the form of an annotated screen. I'll share a sample of an annotated screen that will give you some indication. In fact,
I
I'll share
got
a
that.
format.
I mean, I got that. It's just that like we can do some research and all.
Absolutely. Yeah. We didn't mention. Okay, so the little background, Asta. The thing is, the previous two challenges got very intense, right? And the first two I put in so much effort. The others couldn't. I don't think they would be able to match up with that much effort because there are just 3 days. So the first two are really focused on these challenges because they want to do something. So they've come with a mindset that they want to do it. What happens, unfortunately, then is the rest of the guys can't put in that much effort. We don't want that to happen. We want everybody to have a level playing field. Not that these two have done anything wrong, but everybody has an equal opportunity here.
And honestly, even I'm not sure that I'll be able to give time in this weekend or not, but I'm just
since I'm hoping the format helps you in saving time. That's what is the hope, right? Because it's very clear what you can. So 3 improvements anybody can suggest, right? It's just 3 pointers, a few words, right? You can design annotation, obviously you can do it, but design tasks, etc. depends. So this is where the difference jump comes in, and it's very clear that you can definitely corner some points if you complete just the 3 tasks. So let's see how it goes. I would love to see if it encourages more people to submit. That's what we always love to see.
Yeah, right. And there's no WhatsApp group this time for challenges?
There is a WhatsApp group. If you sign up, you will see there's a WhatsApp group. यहाँ पे आएगा login page में. There is a forum as well. दोनों है, ठीक है? You can just you get the links for both, ठीक है?
ठीक है, okay. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks, guys. Been a pleasure. The recording will be shared in case you joined in late. And all the best. See you. Looking forward to your submissions. Any questions, etc. You can drop on this page, on the forum, or on the group. And looking forward to your submissions and what you can come up with in terms of an audit. Okay, bye. Good night.